Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as we have seen, in the last video we have created the storage account, and the storage account is for sake of simplicity. It's like your hard disk, and the containers or blob container. It's just considered as a folder, and the folder, let's say, is contain the files, images, and etc. So in today's video we will see how to create containers, and also how to create and how to upload files and maybe images and etc. So let me just show you this one here. So here we have created our storage account. Back to the storage account, and if we would like to create containers, we have to do it either manually, but or maybe not or maybe or CLI or Python. So we will just use CLI and Python, not the one, because it's need some, let's see, keys. And by the way, to use this the files in the containers, we have to connect the containers with this access keys. And to have this access key, you have to copy this, or either you have to add, let's say, a CLI command to show or to give you the key. So let me just show you here. So I will just go to this file, I mean to this file, and copy the storage account key. So now I need is the storage account key. Okay, yeah, I got it. So this in the command in the PowerShell, we have to add for the variables, we have to add this $sign. And as you can see, this is my key, and this has to be supposed to be a secret, but I will delete it after this recording. So try to keep your stuff secret. Anything in the Azure account has like a password like this, you have to keep it secret. And for instance, let me just show you some stuff here. For instance, my account, and you can see this is the ID account. I mean subscription ID. It's not hidden. Just but better to have it as a secret. But it's not needed to have. So if you know my subscription ID will not do can't do anything. Okay, so let's go to this one here. Now we need to create containers. So let's see, copy this, and you can see it has a container name, account name. Let me just change this here before I forgot the $sign. So yeah, so here the container, it has a name of the storage account. So we have a storage account. Now we need to create a container in this, for instance, storage account, and this is the container name. This is the key of the storage account, and the public key is off. So because it should be private only for me. So let's see here, create, not create, but copy, and let me just paste it here. Now this should create a storage account. Okay, so I already created the container, and we will see here we have now this is containers. Now there's two different steps. Either if you have only a file, only one file, or maybe sometimes you have multiple files. So in our case, I will try to upload several files here. So this is my destination. I will have used storage blob upload batch. So you can see the difference here is upload, and here's upload batch, which is upload several files. And the destination should be the container that I already created here, and the source file, the source of the files, is the good, because you have to define for instance, I need to upload these images here, which will be used for the training. And you can see of course I will give you these files, or you can download it from the GitHub, from the GitHub, or from the website. So I'll give you the link, but when we just reach the anomaly detection. But this is now how to just show you how to upload multiple files. And you can see here I have the account key, which is getting from this command here. And the buttons, I need to only upload PNG images, PNG files. And if there are any files, for instance, JPEG, PDF, Words, Excel, and everything, this will be excluded. I need only a PNG. And this is overwrite if you would like to remove, or let's say overwrite the already exist if it's exist. And here you have also the tags. So let's see, just copy this. Sometimes the tags are not working, but let me try. So the idea now is to upload. See, I'm now, let me just cancel this. See, if you see now, I'm in the directory of the images. So if I see, I have the good file is here, and if I see ls good, it will show me the images. So you have to go to the directory with cd and blah blah blah. I think you know this stuff. And now I need to paste. You can see I need the source code, the source folder, which is good, which is inside this folder here. Okay, and inside the folders I have the PNG images. So let's try. Okay, yeah, as expected, blob tags are not only supported in a VS V2 storage. So what you have to do is remove this tags. So if you would like to use tags, you have to use the storage account V2. So let me just storage. Now let's see. This will upload our images into the website. I mean into the, as you can see here, this is a progress bar. And if I check now, I have these images. These images will be used for the training of our anomaly detection. So it depends on my internet, so it's fine to upload 200 images, which is in my PC it's not that huge. Let's see the size of this folder. The whole folder was yeah 110 gigabytes. Now everything is uploaded. Now we will see now next time how to create a data set from these containers, and maybe let's see. Not sure if this is yeah, okay. So yeah, I will try to do it. How to use it in, or maybe just to keep the cost. Let's say little, or let's say ignore some cost. I will try to create a data set once we try to let's say start with training and inference time, inference phases. So and next time we will see how to create this stuff. And yeah, if you are liking my videos, please subscribe into my channel, like the videos, and of course if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.